Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. My name is Anas and I'm a teacher in the International Knowledge School. Today, as usual, we'll go over through the homework and then move on to today's lesson. But before we do any of that, I want to review the four main shapes that we did in the last few lessons before we move on. Okay, so I'm going to draw them and you have to say what they are, and then I'm going to tell you so you can listen and repeat. Okay, so what's this? Okay, next. What's this? Good. Okay, next. What's this? Good. Okay, last one. Remember, this is not a square. It's different. What's this? That's good. Okay, now listen and repeat. Square. Square. Circle. Circle. Triangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Rectangle. Okay, so these are the four main shapes. Okay, now don't forget them because we will need them in today's lesson. So let's go over to the book so we can answer a few questions. Okay, let's see. Okay, great. Here are the questions. Complete each name, match each shape to its name. So this was the last lesson's homework. Now here, rectangle. Here, NG. Let's see. So it can't be a rectangle. It must be something else with NG in its name. No NG here. NG in triangle. Let's try to write triangle. No. Oh, maybe. Okay, let's try. T R I A N G L E. That's right, it's triangle. Okay, so we can match it to triangle here. Okay. U E. Let's see. Something with a U and E. U E. Square. 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 The last one we have is circle. So of course CIRCLE. Circle. Let's match the square to the square here, D, and C to the circle. Okay, so again, rectangle, rectangle, triangle, triangle, square, square, circle, circle. Okay, so these are the four main shapes that we just reviewed. Okay, halves and wholes. Now, these show whole objects. These show halves. Now, what's the difference? Let's see. Here we have an orange, and here we have chocolate. Here we have a biscuit, and here we have a brick. Now, these are whole objects. Whole. Now, here these are halves. Halves. Okay, so this is an orange, and here it's a whole, and here it's cut in half. So this is whole, and this is half. This is a whole chocolate bar, and this is a half chocolate bar. It's been cut in half, or been broken in half. So this is whole, this is half. Here, this is a whole biscuit, this is a half biscuit. This is a whole brick, this is half a brick. Okay, now 1/2 is also written as like this: 1 at the top and 2 at the bottom. So this is half. Okay, so again, this is 1 or whole, and this is half, or you can write it like this: half. Okay, so they all mean exactly the same thing. So let's write it down so you just don't forget. Okay, so we have half half, which means the same as half. Okay? Half, same as half. Half. Okay? Now, I'm going to draw an example just to show it. Now, this is 1, and this is the same, but it's half. Okay? They're the same, but this is 1 and this is half. So this is 1 and this is half. Okay? I'll write something else just to make it clearer. So this is a triangle. So this is one triangle, right? Here is the same triangle, but it's cut in half. So this is half. Okay? So this is 1 and this is half. Okay? So 1 and half. Okay, great. Remember the lesson we had before about money? This was a long time ago, and it was about money. So let's go back to the page where we studied money. I think it was on page, let's see. Here. This is $1, and these are 50 cents, but they're also called half a dollar. So here, 1, this is $1, this is half a dollar. Okay? $1, half a dollar. Same thing for a dinar. We have 1 dinar and half a dinar, which is a coin. Okay? Now here, circle the whole objects and join the matching halves. So first you have to circle the whole objects. Okay? Whole objects are things like this. This is a whole object. This is a whole object. Okay? So I want you to pause the video right now and try to do them on your own. And after you finish, play the video again and see if you answer them correctly or not. Okay? So take a minute, pause the video, and play again. Okay, if you pause the video, now we can answer the questions together. Okay, so this is a hole, this is a hole, this is a hole, 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 half, 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 hole, half, whole, pineapple, half, whole, half, half, half. So these are the whole objects that we just circled. So this is the whole, 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 and whole. These are, the others are all halves. Now what we have to do in B is join the matching halves. Now, I'm gonna give you again 1 minute, pause the video, and try to answer the questions on your own, and then we'll do them together. So go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so if you pause the video and now you play it again, let's join the matching halves together. So let's see. I want to start with this one. This one has the other half on the other side. Okay, so these are 2 halves. Okay, these are together as well. This one and this one, yes. Can match them like this. This one and this one. And we go like this. Okay. This one and this one. 2 halves. This one and this one. Okay. This one and this one. Let's see. Yeah, it seems like this one and this one. This is an apple. Okay, I think that's it. You just finished. So we joined the matching halves together. After we finish the rest of the pages, we will go back and write the names of each fruit so you don't forget them. That would be a great exercise and a few more words you could learn. Okay, color half of each shape. Okay, so we're getting the colors again. Now I'm getting a few colors. Let's see how many colors I get. I'm getting orange, brown, brown, let's see, yellow, and what's this? I don't know what color is this. It seems like black. Okay. So I've got 4 colors that I'm going to use to color. Okay. Color half of each shape. Okay, so I'm going to start with orange. Color half of each shape. We're just going to color 1/2 of each shape. It's the same thing for both, by the way. It's color half of each shape and then color half of each shape. It's the same question. It's just that they have more shapes here than they do here. So I'm going to color this half orange. Again, you can color any half, this one or this one, but you only color 1/2, not all of the shape. Okay, so color half of each shape. Okay, I'm gonna use another color, yellow. Again, you can color this one or this one. It's just that I chose to color this one yellow. And you can use any different color that you like. It doesn't have to be this exact same colors or the exact same colors that I'm using. So just to let you know. I think this is black. Let's see if this is black. What color I just have? Oh no, this is actually violet or dark purple. Dark purple. Okay. Brown. I need to get more colors. Let's see. Oh, blue. I love this color. Okay. No, I'll cut a better one. I think this is red. Yeah, so that's red. Okay, I'll use red first. If this is too fast for you, you could always just pause the video and color them at your own pace. You don't have to rush through. So just take your time. Don't go outside of the lines. Make sure that you do it like me. And you're great. Blue. I love blue. This has got to be my favorite color now. Okay, so that's it. That's what we have to do. Color half of each shape. Now again, we're coloring half of each shape. You can use different colors or you can use the same colors. I'm going to use the same colors just because I already have them out. I'm just going to use them again. Again, you can color any half. I just choose to color the halves that I like. The choice is yours. Just make sure you only color 1/2, not 2. So if you color this half stays clear. Don't color this one, color this one. If you color this one, don't color this one. So only color 1/2. I'm actually gonna get more colors, because if I use the same colors to color the same shapes, it will look a bit boring. So let me see, get more colors. Now, oh, green. Okay, green is good. I have green. Okay, let's see. Yellow. And again, like I said, you can use any color you like. Just don't go outside the lines. I'm gonna look for more colors. Just because... Oh, pink. Pink is nice. Let's see what other colors I have. This looks like silver. What's this color? Let's see. Silver or gray, yeah. That's nice. Let's see, what else? I think that's it. Those are all the colors that I have. I have brown again. And this is a nice brown, actually. This is a different shade of brown. Okay, I have some sort of green here. It's not the same green, it's a different shade of green from the other one. I'm gonna use blue again because I love blue. We didn't use red. I want to use red. Should use red as well. Try to use all the colors that you have so that you have a diverse range of colors that you use. See, this is red. Yes, found the red. I love red as well. Red is a very nice color. Okay, next, green again. Not the same green, different. This is light green, this is like heavier green. Okay, next, I think this is purple or dark purple. Yeah, dark purple. And green again, but this is again a different shade of green. I have 3 shades of green. Interesting. And the last one's gonna be, let's see, brown. I'm gonna use, no, okay, this is not the last one, but okay, brown is good. No, not green again. Let's see, blue, just because I love it. The shade of blue has got to be one of my favorites. Okay, so that's it. You're finished with coloring. They look great, and I'm pretty sure you did just as good as a job as I did. Just make sure you don't go outside of the line. Just make sure you only color one half, so you don't confuse them with the other halves. Okay, now let's get back to pencil. And here, draw a line to have each shape. So we're going to draw a line and have each shape here. For homework, you're going to have to color the shapes, but for now, we just have to draw a line to have them. Okay, so here we draw a line to have the square. Okay, now go ahead and pause the video, draw the line, make them halves, and then play again and check if you did them correctly. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so if you played the video again, let's draw a line to have each of them. Half, half, and half. Okay, now for homework, you have to do the same thing we did here. You have to color one half of each of these shapes. Okay, so again, the homework is to color one half of each of these shapes. Okay, now that's great. Now we finished the math lesson. We're just gonna have a few new words using these fruits here. Now there are 2 things you could do. You can write them in a notebook, or you can write them here. That's really up to you. I'm gonna write them here so they are clear and you can see them clearer than if I wrote them in the book. Okay, so we're gonna start here. What's this? An orange. So here write an orange. Okay, so what's this? An orange. An orange. Here, a watermelon. A watermelon. So let's go ahead and write. I'm not really sure what this is, but it looks like an eggplant. So let's go with this, an eggplant. Or maybe an avocado, I don't know. It looks like an eggplant to me. An eggplant. An apple. An apple. A tomato. A tomato. Let's look at it. Okay, pepper. We just call it pepper. We usually don't say a pepper. A pepper. or a bell pepper, you can call it that as well. An onion. An onion. Okay. A pineapple. A pineapple. This one is a pineapple. And a lemon. Okay, so now you have to listen and repeat so you can memorize the words. An orange. An orange. A watermelon. A watermelon. An eggplant. An eggplant. An apple. An apple. A tomato. A tomato. Pepper. Pepper. An onion. An onion. A pineapple. A pineapple. A lemon. A lemon. Now what you can do is you can write them in a notebook, and you can draw the fruit next to it. Okay, that's great. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to do the homework, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.